Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is design. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, design is a creative process. It got the following characteristics. It is the creative process in the search for solutions or improvements in any field of actions through the development of product and services. Design has different fields of action: graphic, industrial, audiovisual, fashion, architectural, among others, and it's complementary with any productive activity. There are different processes and methodologies to be able to design, but currently the most successful form is the principle of user-centered design, in which the opinion and taste of the designer take a backseat. The most relevant is to develop products and services based on the needs of the user and that in turn improve their lives. Okay, so when we talk about design, this is the structure that I developed to explain it. The first thing is that you ask yourself, what are you going to do? It means, are you going to develop a product, a service, or are you going to make a redesign? These three scenarios are the most common to develop, but always remember that everything is user-centered design. If you don't know what user-centered design is, please check our channel because over there we have a video that explains that principle. After that, when you decide what are you going to do, it's very important that you ask yourself, how am I going to do it? It means, what is the process, what is the methodology, what is the experience, everything that is in that development is extremely important that you define how are you going to do it. After you answer that question, it's very important that you be very objective and ask yourself, is it worth doing it? And what does that mean? Not every development in the world is doing it. If you are contaminating the environment, it's something that is bad, that is probably not good. So, is it something shallow and superficial that is not helping everybody? You should think about that. If the answer is no, you should rethink what are you going to do. If it's yes, you will continue. After that, it's very important that you ask, what is the need? Remember that user-centered design is focused on improve the life of people and also understand what is the need. Is it a real need? Is it a context need? If it's not a real need, also you have to think and understand if you have to rethink something. The different fields of design, the fashion design is a field very big because you can work with different components like leather goods, trends, everything that is worth shirts, t-shirts, well, anything of clothes is extremely important, but also the trends, it's a big input of the fashion industry to all design. It means that when you are developing something, you are thinking in all those components. Um, is something very important as well, another field, which is the audiovisual field. You can work with technology. It means real augmentations, holograms, video games, audiovisual, everything that is related to technology is something that you can work in the design field as well. If you are developing a service, you can develop digital service, presential services, restaurants, social development, well, different kind of development. So it's very important that you be aware of your environment and also like the development as well. If you are gonna work in the 3D design model, you can work in architectural, industrial, furniture, lighting, and many more. The important thing here is that you understand that any development that you work here will have 3 dimensions, and there is a big field in all of that. In the 2D world, we have got graphic design, marketing and branding, illustration. Well, everything that you can make and will have two dimensions, that is very important as well, because it will allow you to figure it out, everything that is surrounding design. As you can see, there are many different focus on the design field. However, it's very important that you evaluate if it's worth doing it, what you are doing. The world doesn't need more rubbish. The world needs solutions to problems and make life better for people. As a conclusion, we can say that design has multiple fields of action and diverse forms of execution. It is complementary with any activity that is productive. Success in creating a good design lies in understand the needs of users and create proposals that can appropriate their context and help their daily lives. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that we have a couple of Udemy courses in the description of this video. You can find them. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish and every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time.